we have the second team big placer na si Ryan at syempre ang team big winner na si James. Oh, I love the reaction. At syempre, your fans have questions for you guys, okay? And release it with them. I feel so sorry for them.
Well, Mariel, of course, kanina pa nagkakagulo dito lahat ng fans. May mga katanungan dito. At una may tanong is si Ina. Ina, ang iyong tanong ay para kay?
Fritzy.
Ano ang tanong mo para kay Fritzy?
Fritzy, maraming na-link sa'yo. Sino pipiliin mo ba? Si Patrick, si Ivan, or si Brett? Sino ba mas like mo sa tatlo, Brett?
Actually, si Patrick, we're like really close friends. Best friends kami. Then si Ivan naman, ever since sa apartment, we're really close. And at saka si Brett close. So, kami po lahat close. So, friends lang muna as of now.
Okay, I will accept that answer. Okay.